Basic English Conversation Practice for Kids. Welcome back to online English class. At the zoo.
Hi, Lisa. Look at the big elephant. Hi, Jack. Wow, it's so big. What's it doing? It's eating grass. Do you see its long trunk? Yes. The trunk is so long. It's like a big straw. I like the monkeys too. They're so funny. Look, one monkey is swinging on a tree. Monkeys are so silly. Do you want to see the lions next? Yes. Lions are my favorite.
Baking cookies.
Hi, Lisa. What are we making today? Hi, Jack. We're baking cookies. Do you want to help? Yes. I love cookies. What do we need? We need flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. I'll mix the flour and sugar. I'll add the butter and chocolate chips. The dough looks yummy. Can I taste it? Just a little bit. Let's roll the dough into balls. Okay. Now let's put them on the tray. Time to bake them in the oven. I can't wait to eat them.
Going to the park.
Hi, Lisa. Do you want to go to the park? Hi, Jack. Yes, I love the park. What should we bring? Let's bring a ball and some snacks. Good idea. I'll bring a blanket too. We can play ball and have a picnic. That sounds like so much fun. Look, there's the playground. Do you want to go on the swings? Yes. Let's swing really high.
Bedtime.
Hi, Lisa. It's time for bed. Are you ready?
Hi, Jack. Almost ready. I just need to brush my teeth.
I brushed my teeth already. Do you want to read a story?
Yes. I love bedtime stories. Which one should we read?
Let's read about the little red hen.
That's a good one. Let's get cozy in bed.
The little red hen worked so hard.
Yes, and she made yummy bread. I love that story.
Good night, Lisa.
Good night, Jack. At the grocery store. Hi, Lisa. What do we need to buy? Hi, Jack. We need to get some fruit. Let's find the apples. I see the apples. Do you want red or green ones? Let's get the red ones. They're sweet. Okay, I'll put them in the cart. What's next? We need some milk and bread. I see the bread. I'll get it. Great. I'll grab the milk. Do we need anything else? How about some cookies? Yes. Cookies are a great idea. Let's check out and go home. Playing with blocks. Hi, Lisa. Let's build something with these blocks. Hi, Jack. What should we build? How about a big tower? Yes. I'll start with the bottom, and you can make it tall. Look, it's getting higher and higher. Be careful, Jack. Don't let it fall. I'm being careful. Let's add more blocks. Wow! The tower is so tall now. This is the tallest tower we've ever made. Let's take a picture of it before it falls. Going to the doctor.
Hi, Lisa. Are you feeling okay? Hi, Jack. I'm a little nervous. but I know the doctor will help me. Don't worry, Lisa. The doctor is really nice. What will the doctor do? The doctor will check your heart and your temperature. Will it hurt? No, it won't hurt. And the doctor might give you a sticker. I hope I get a sticker. Thanks, Jack. You're welcome, Lisa. I'll be right here with you.
Planting a garden.
Hi, Lisa. What seeds are we planting today? Hi, Jack. We're planting tomato and carrot seeds. Cool. I love tomatoes. How do we plant them? We dig little holes and put the seeds in. Okay, I'll dig the holes, and you can put in the seeds. I'm putting in the seeds. Now we need to cover them with soil. I'll cover them up. What do we do next? We need to water them. Plants need water to grow. I'll get the watering can. Here comes the water. The seeds are all planted. Now we wait for them to grow. I can't wait to see our garden grow.
Learning colors. Hi, Lisa. What are you coloring?
Hi, Jack. I'm coloring a rainbow. Look at all the colors.
Wow! What colors are you using?
I'm using red, blue, yellow, green, and purple.
Those are beautiful colors. Can I color too?
Yes. Here's a crayon. It's orange.
I'll color the sun with orange. What color will you use next?
I'm going to use pink for the flowers.
The flowers look so pretty. Let's color together.
Okay. This is so much fun.
Visiting the library.
Hi, Lisa. Look at all these books. Hi, Jack. There are so many. What kind of book do you want to read? I want to read a book about dinosaurs. I love dinosaurs too. Let's find a dinosaur book. Look, Lisa. I found a book about big dinosaurs. That looks like a great book. Can we read it together? Yes, let's sit down and read. Wow, dinosaurs were so big. And some had really long necks. This book is awesome. Let's check it out and take it home. Good idea. I love reading with you, Lisa.
Helping in the kitchen.
Hi, Lisa. What are we making for lunch? Hi, Jack. We're making sandwiches. Do you want to help? Yes. I'll get the bread. What do we put inside? We can put cheese, lettuce, and tomatoes. I like cheese. I'll put cheese on my sandwich. I'll put lettuce and tomatoes on mine. Do we need anything else? Let's add a little mustard. It makes it yummy. Okay. My sandwich is ready. What about yours? Mine is ready too. Let's eat together. This sandwich is so good. We make a great team, Lisa. Yes, we do. Let's help in the kitchen again soon.